In this lecture, we are going to look at what is a tag and what is a tag manager. So what is a tag? Tags are snippets of code, generally JavaScript or clear GIF images that are provided by third party for you to put on your web pages. These third parties then use the data collected via these tags to enable reporting and targeting. Some examples of tags are Google Analytics, Google AdWords, Facebook Tracking Pixel, and many more. We will cover the full list of tags supported by Google Tag Manager in future lectures. Now let's take a look at some of the examples of tags on real pages. Here's an example of Best Buy. Go ahead and right click and do view source. This will load the HTML of the page. Go ahead and look at the HTML and you'll see some tags. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see Optimizely, some analytics tracking, as well as some bright tag tracking. These are few examples, but there are a lot more tags on this page. Similarly, when you look at ESPN, here is an example of a site catalyst tag, which is Adobe Analytics. So as you can see, there are a bunch of tags, and sites generally have a lot of tags on their pages. As you saw, these tags go directly on the page and could be anywhere on the page, top, bottom, middle, depending on how the developer chose to implement them, which causes a big problem when you have to change something. You are dependent on developers to make the changes to your tags. You have to work with their schedule. And many times that's too late because they have their own priority list, and making changes to the tags is last on their priority list. It's also very expensive because when developers make a change and release the code, it requires quite a few people in the process to make sure everything is working fine. So all in all, this adds to the complexity of making any changes to the tags on your pages. This is where a tag manager really helps. Tag manager removes the need to put individual tags on your page. Instead, tag manager provides you a container that goes on your page. So all you have to do is put that container on your pages and then manage all your tags within an interface on the tag manager. So anytime you have to make a change to a tag, instead of making a change in your page, you go to the tag manager interface, make your changes to the tags, and they get loaded when the container gets loaded on the page. This helps eliminate your need to be dependent on IT, and you can make all your tag changes in a matter of hours or even minutes.